I am, as a matter of fact, aware that I have a lady on the CHILLGUY and someone who tells me, okay, what do you see in the long term for the CHILLGUY? So I'm on the weekend chart. The takeover is CHILLGUY. As we can see, we have 1, 2, 3 candles, 2 vector candles, then one that's going to be with the volume it has, and we're at the Hutzy, so obviously it's going to be a vector candle. But we don't have the indicator, and that's to go down to get the top, and everything you need to see is to see. Go to 2 days, and then on 2 days, we have our target with the Crypto-Quebec indicator, which brings us to 65. It won't be easy to reach 65. That's the target in number of 1x. But now what we can see is that in the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, because it's 2-day charts, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. For the last 3 weeks, look at the volume and look at the vectors. You see? And then it flashes. Why? Because to cross this line of the Crypto-Quebec indicator, we need 9 vectors. So if you didn't get in on the CHILLGUY, I don't have any there. I'm telling you, I took a position and I was stopped out every time. And it's going to pull back a bit like this, and then it's going to take off again. Why do I tell you that? To cross this, I need 1 vector. To cross the middle of the Crypto-Quebec indicator channel, I need 1 vector. This one is not. This one is not. The volume is 100. To have a vector, I have to go up to 195 million, you see? And then I did 100.3 million, and today I'm accelerating by 44 million. So that will give about 100.3 million, the same thing. So to cross this, I need 1 vector. There needs to be a breakout. It might pull back a bit. If you haven't gotten in, it might be a good opportunity. This is not financial advice, but obviously, as Bitcoin goes down a bit, they will have to do the same. They will go down too, and it will become good opportunities. And my indicator, the Crypto-Quebec